What's up everybody? Welcome to the first video in my new house. Our new super secret location, whatever sounds cooler to you. Um, so yeah, I rolled out the lemon lime gfuel. Um, Almost ran out, have maybe 1 or 2 servings left, so I thought time to get a new flavor, so we went with the peach mango, which sounds delicious. Um, Video link in the description for the and then here for the lemon lime unboxing review if you want to check it out. Let's go. So yeah, let's unbox this. What could it be? That's a little too much bubbles in my opinion. This maybe packaging's too big. Whoa, mango, peach mango. Yeah, so you can see it comes just sealed. I'm not gonna try to take this off with one hand, so here's the magic of editing. So yeah, I took the plastic off to show you it has one of these, and let me switch. They come off pretty easy. So apparently it got shook a little in the move. There's a scooper. I'll say this already. This actually smells like peach mango candy. The lemon lime smelled like it tastes aftertaste. Link in the description for that video. So now step 2. Right. So the tub says to do a whole scoop. I go about a scoop or half a scoop, and also I like to put some water in beforehand. So then you just pour that shit in there, and it goes. Let's see, it starts already just changing. Then you get some cold water. Fill up your cup. Once that's full, get the lid. See how it's already changing? So then, once you got it in there, you just shake up the cup. And now we taste it. We give it a little shake again. It mixes fairly quickly. Pop the top. Tastes like peaches and mangoes mixed together. Kind of like peach mango candy. Or like peach candy. Great job. I recommend it. I like it better than the lemon lime already. gfuel.com if you want to pick it up. I got them off Amazon. They're a little bit cheaper. If you got the Prime membership, you could get free shipping. 2-day shipping, and you get it like boom, 2 days. Yeah, so thanks for hanging out. Thanks for checking it out. Yeah, come back for more videos. Subscribe if you got the time. It don't cost you nothing. Thumbs it up if you got the time. Peace.